at Lowe's. We want to put all the fun of home improvement in the process and take all the friction out. When it came to innovating with AI, we went with Dell and NVIDIA to make sure that we were GPU enabled in these stores. We use that infrastructure in terms of where the customer is. Associate magically shows up and she or he starts helping you. And that's what we are going to do with what we call it as dwell technology. We will pick up the signals that there has been a customer dwelling in an aisle for a couple of minutes. As soon as we pick up that signal, we'll send out an alert to all the associates in that department, and one of them would answer that they are on their way to help out the customer. And before you know it, the associate would be next to you. Dell tremendously helped because we have Dell servers on the edge in all of these micro data centers because we wanted to be edge centric and make sure that we are closest to the customer and be able to have that really high quality customer and associate experience. And what we feel is that the customer engagement and overall satisfaction we have seen in all these cases, it just skyrockets as soon as associate comes and starts helping you in the aisle. When we did Lowe and Lowe Companion, that was just the very first version. We have rolled it out to all 1,730 stores, to all customers, and they can go to lowes.com/AI and access these tools. One of the technologies that has captured our imagination is this combination of Dell and NVIDIA when it comes to digital twin. We have a digital replica of what our store looks like. And in a digital twin, we could do hundreds and hundreds of simulations. I have extreme optimism about Dell and Lowe's partnership. And whether it's our associates in the stores, associates in the headquarters, or our customers, to make sure that they are able to fulfill their dreams and solve their problems.